Everyone, you might be stuck in a situation where for some reason your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons are just not connecting. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you have your Joy-Cons separate like this, but for some reason, when you try to put them together, they're just not connecting. Number one, you have to make sure that your Joy-Cons are facing the right way. So if they're facing this way, your Joy-Con is not going to connect. Wherever your screen is, you have to go through, and I guess they will connect this way, but this will not be the right way to go and input it. What you want to do is you want to make sure that your Joy-Cons are facing wherever the screen is. So the buttons in the Joy-Con basically need to face the same exact way in which the particular screen is facing. So keep that in mind. So what you can do is you can just kind of go through, slide this particular Joy-Con back in just like this, and that's essentially really what you're going to have to do, step number one. Now, step number two, you'll also have to make sure that within your particular Nintendo Switch 2, that these things are fully compatible with your Nintendo Switch. So what I'd recommend doing is, you can see my Nintendo Switch is dead. I would recommend going through and letting the Nintendo Switch just sit there and charge up for as long as you can let it charge up. If you let this thing kind of sit there and you let it just kind of do its thing, what you can do is just let the Nintendo Switch sit there on charge and let the Joy-Con charge up. After the Joy-Con is charged up, you can then go through, turn off the Joy-Con or, separate it, and then try turning it on, and then you can use it whichever way you want to at that point. So that's essentially how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.